All right, I got Cynthia here. She is 5 days after her preservation deep plane face and neck lift, temporal brow lift, and full facial laser resurfacing. The degree of improvement is shocking. She had so much neck laxity. The skin damage was so much wrinkle in the facial area all over. And the brows were coming down. It looks scary. It looks like too much, but these are laser. These are going to peel off. You know, this is the healing process. You got to trust the process. And final result, obviously, it takes up to 6 months to see higher definition in this area.